What is up? Christian coming out with a new video. Today we are recording the vlog. I'm recording some other videos too, but obviously they're not going to be in the vlog because they're separate videos. Duh. Yep, I'm just getting ready right now and charging up my camera battery and fixing up some stuff on my laptop. Like my Batman wall. Huge Batman fan, if you can't tell. Batman. There's more. Well, yeah. So, today I'm not doing too much. Gonna go film. Gonna hang out with Brandon. Gonna go see my boss to get some coffee. Maybe skate. I keep looking at myself. I'm tired, so let me wake up a little bit and I'll talk to you soon. I'm walking down the street to get coffee because I don't have a car yet. I have money for a car, but I can't find the decent car for my money. Anyone else have that issue? I'm sure some of you, unless you're, filthy rich, which I'm not, so don't think I am. It's a bunch of cars and people look at me funny, but I don't care. I'm in my little hideout. I don't want people to hear me. Peek around the corner. It's my boss's car. There's a school across the street. I did like 4 months. 5th grade there, that's it. I hated that place. I hate any school in this town, actually. Yep.
Yeah, they thought I didn't put it in there, so then I changed it. It's weird. We buy Walmart sugar. Does it just only milk though? Yep. And we got it from the bakery when they do the baking. They use Domino sugar, but apparently it's not as sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
Going to
A couple of
Complaining about
see
sugar.
around it in coffee, and it's just not as sweet.
That's not.
I don't know.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I got my camera. I'm taking some pictures down this cool little spot I found, like, right near my house. I honestly never knew this was here. Like, I knew the fish ladder was here, but I didn't know this was on the other side of it. That's really cool. Check it out. I wish I could get on that side and get pictures, but I'll just take them from over here. Walking in my J's, but it's all cool. I don't know if I'm supposed to be right here. I just got stabbed in the arm by a massive fucking thorn and it really fucking hurt. But I'm on my way out of here. Hopefully nobody looks at me weird. There's a mad fucking sketchy ass bridge I gotta cross with my camera. It scares me. I'll be back. See, like, how do you expect me to cross this, guys? Woo. Alright, let's get out of here. I have a camera, so hopefully people are just like always taking pictures. Welcome to the peacefulness, guys. It's so nice out here. Taking pictures out here too, got my camera. It looks so cool. That's my favorite spot up here. show you in a minute. I left my bag and skateboard over there, so I don't wanna like stay over here too long. But I can get up without tripping over these rocks. It's like a little island on a beach, even though it's technically not an island because it's on a beach. You know what I mean? But it's cool. It's like a little grassy spot right on the beach. You like to climb up there. I'm gonna take some pictures of this. So, talk to you soon. Check it out, guys. I found a piece of sea glass. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind. I hope you can, or else I'm recording this for nothing. Alright, it's like mad early in the morning, the next day actually. But I realized, because my friend picked me up, so I wasn't recording because we were just doing something. But I realized I never made an outro to the vlog, so this is it. Yeah, like, I'm sorry it wasn't that entertaining. It was just me walking around taking pictures and doing absolutely nothing pretty much. But I promise I'll do some more entertaining things if I can speak correctly, that is. Anyway, if you enjoyed, please comment, like, and subscribe for more. Or let me know what you want to see me do. Down to do anything. People are looking at me funny. Alright, I gotta go. See you later.